Alright, this is going to be an installation guide for a high flow valve for a Tokyo Marui Glock 17, which we have here. The valve is for the magazine, goes in the back here, and the idea with a high output valve is that it just releases more gas from the magazine into the chamber with each shot, supposedly adding FPS to your your airsoft pistol. So I'm going to try it out and do some tests and see if it actually works. So first things first was to remove the old valve. Make sure there's absolutely no gas in it because you don't want it to explode in your hand or anything. Then this was the tricky bit. You had to unscrew this valve at the back, but I didn't have a screwdriver or anything like that shape because it has to, you can't go straight across, like there's no thread in the middle bit, so it had to reach to either side. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but anyway, in the end I ended up fashioning a kind of screwdriver out of a piece of Meccano here. So it was a long thin piece of Meccano, and I just folded this end back, and it worked out pretty much perfectly, as you can see there. So you stick it in there and just start to unscrew. It's kind of hard to do with the camera in my face. Oh shit. Almost there now. Okay. There we go. Now, so there's the original valve, new valve is in here. I'll just show you a quick comparison. Other than this, the original one is gold and the new one is silver. There's not a whole lot of difference between them. The key thing, which mightn't come across in the video, if I can get a grip of them both, is that this hole here is about, I suppose, 50% bigger on the new one as to the old one, and that's the key. That's why it lets more gas out. Then exactly the same, well, the reverse of what we just did. Put the new valve in and use the makeshift screwdriver to screw it in. There you have it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a clip I took a minute ago of 10 shots with the Glock with the original valve in the magazine, and then I will show 10 shots, which I'll record now in a minute, of the new valve, and we'll see if it actually increased the FPS.